Hey guys, my name is Yelena and welcome back to my channel. Just a quick, I was in the middle of making my icing for this coming up cake and I decided why not to film this, what I'm doing, because you guys asking what icing I'm using. So today I'm gonna do just traditional American icing. It's I have a shortening in my bowl and then I'm gonna add powdered sugar to it. And I'm gonna do multi-batch, so it will be quite full. And then I put it in the mixer, and here I add all my liquids. I use water instead of milk. You can use milk, but just make sure it sits in the refrigerator afterwards because it may get spoiled. And I use a little merengue powder. And I start my mixer at just a couple turns at a time. Just make sure your powdered sugar doesn't jump out of the bowl, like so, and let it a little incorporate. Okay, and once it kind of comes together, starts mixing a little bit till it starts becoming creamy. Alright, and here make sure you stop and scrape sides of your bowl real good, so make sure the shortening comes off the sides. This way our icing will be very nice consistency. No clumps. All right, and now let's whip it until it's light and fluffy. I will say about 5 minutes on the high to medium speed. All right, I have it at around 7 or 8. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. See how it more volume in the bowl, it looks more fluffy. It's not grainy at all. I use high ratio shortening, and that's much better if you just use Crisco. Okay, I have designated container that I use for icing only, and I store it there. And of course the icing, make sure it's covered with a lid at all times because this one is crusting. You don't want to dry out. All right, and this is what it looks like. So very easy. You can use half butter, half shortening for this recipe, but I just use all shortening. This way it's all white. It's easy to color. And that's about it. So thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.